This time on building terminology, slab on ground. So a slab on ground is essentially a concrete floor which is supported on the ground, and it has its own incorporated integral edge beams. The slab on ground is an alternative to our bearers and joist floor system, and basically what we do is we've got the strip footing similar to what we have with the bearers and joist system, and then we add a concrete slab to the top of that. So it's all poured as one monolithic slab. So we have our floor surface and our footing surface integrated into the one member. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.